If you guys ever wish you guys could control every letter in your design, your wish just came true. We made numerous graphic pieces using different types of typography designs, but now with Kittl's new advanced text editing feature, allowing full control of every single letter, whether attached to a word or not, is going to give us more of creative ways to create crazy DTF graphic designs. We aren't just going to be showing you guys how creative we got with this feature, but we're also going to print it out and press it on some Smart Blanks t-shirts. So let's get started, guys. All right, guys, we are here on Kittl. We are just gonna start off with a new project that fast. We're just gonna go straight into it because first I wanna show you guys what the new feature is and how we could benefit from this. So again, we're gonna start off with the size on inches, 300 DPI, and we're gonna do just a solid just 15 by 15. Only because we don't know how wide we want our design yet. Again, we're really just gonna be messing with it. If we have to mess with it at the end, because I see the design is gonna be a little bit longer or wider, whatever, I'll mess with it. So just take notes. All right, so real quick, take any type of text. So you could just see what this does. Let's just say I wanna just change the N. I don't like the way it looks. You can. It doesn't matter what font you want to change. You could change all of these fonts separately if you want. Make them all look different. After you're done doing that, you see that there's a difference within it. Oh, what happened here? Did I turn the whole... Ooh, I might have turned the whole thing down. But I think you get the point. Let me... Yeah, okay. You can. I'm just like, what happened? But I accidentally double clicked on the whole thing and then changed the whole text to it. But yeah, very, very entertainable. You guys can mess around with it. Even changing the colors of the text. So like, let's just say I wanted to make this N. I wanted to make this N blue. So that I double clicked on the whole thing again. Now let's make this one black. There we go. See, so you can make it look different. You can make it look weird. Got some ideas already for it, so I'm kind of hyped. Let's just jump into it. So I'm just gonna delete this real quick. And my idea was, you ever like the whole putting the newspaper where you're putting single words onto like another paper that's kind of giving out ransom vibes? And I was like, what's the word? Ransom, yeah. So I'm trying to mimic that. I think that would be kind of cool for a shirt. We'll do a simple word, DTF. You know, we got to rep the brand, so let's just do that. Let's do different fonts. So we're just going to have this already out just because we need some text anyways. Let's take these out. All right. And then we're going to look some ripped. I need some just ripped paper. I can change the color of the paper to make it more of like a magazine type layout. Like this one more. Just a little, just remove the background. See how smooth it is? Awesome. Love that. Okay. I like this, but I don't like his friend. Let's remove background, and then I'll also crop it. Crop right here. There we go. We got another. Okay. And then we need one more. We're just one more. Something different. This one does look different. I do like it. But can we get it out cleanly? That's the main thing. Ooh. I like that. Let's flip it around because it looks like... Oh, wait, no. I think this is the way you're supposed to. Okay. Now we got to align. First, let's get the words. DTF. And we're going to need a lot of space. We're going to need a lot of spacing. So let's put some spacing together. Let's start off large and then we'll go down. Let's scale it up a little bit bigger. There we go. Too big on spacing. I don't like that big too. Oh, because we gotta change the font. All right, so let's do, this is like a paper one, so we'll keep this one black. We'll change all the other colors of the text, but let's get more like, is it ink? That would be pretty wild. Huge text. I don't even know if this will fit. Let's do the T. For some reason, this is giving me a little bit of printer note. There we go. Something like that. Oh, there we go. Last one. Ooh. Oh, we gotta do colors. We gotta do, this one's black. This one we'll do blue. Or should we do red? Yeah, let's do red. Red. This one we gotta do a weird color. It's a good color. Is blue a good color for that? All right, so we have the letters. Now we just need to fit the objects. Let's do our attempt. Put this in the back. I kind of want it to fit, at least in the edges, like that. And then let's get this bigger. And then to the back, a little smaller, just so the D has enough room. Oh, geez. There we go. And to the back. You see, here's the thing now. Now I'm not really liking the D and the F. I feel like this should be more of like a drawing than something like that. Okay, so let's just look through. Let's see what we can have. I need something more of like, I'm writing this in pencil. Something that gives me, I'm writing this in pencil. I need, ooh. No, maybe. That one suits it. This one, since it's blue, I wanted something different. Oh, I don't know about that one. Does look pretty cool though. Let's see. I gotta adjust it a little. That looks pretty cool. I like it. I think it's because of the wrinkliness that the D gives off that energy, but it looks pretty cool. I like it. All right, we're gonna download it. 15 wide. The height is obviously not that big. For the highest point is 4 inches and 76. Okay, easy. I think I want this pretty big too as well. 14 inches though. I can probably make it smaller, but we're gonna download it like this, and then we just put in one design, so I'm gonna use our transfer by size. Completed. Let's save it. I kind of like this actually. It looks really nice. The F. I think I like how the D actually looked crumpled up with it. The white does come out really well with the red. I don't know. There we go. Alright guys, we got it downloaded. On here we're just gonna just save it. Sure, let me put a name onto it. Let's put ransom DTF. Okay. And then we're gonna go to our transfer by size, upload it. Obviously it's in the downloads folder. Let's find it. Oh, there it is. Open. I want this big, but I think a good, so right now it's at 14 inches. That's pretty big. 14 inches is pretty big. We can do it. Yeah, let's do 11 inches. Let's do 12. Let's do 12. I could do 12. Okay. I'll change the size right here. Okay. 12 inches. Easy. Awesome. I'm going to add to cart. All right. Once we get this printed, guys, we'll get everything set. We got the print. Let's take a closer look. Taking a closer look at it, it honestly did really well. I mean, it definitely do look like individual pieces, like almost that we like even just glued it on. Yeah, it came out really nice. All the edges look pretty clean. I think it's gonna come out crazy on a regular shirt. And again, this was all done out of the text, the new feature that is coming out on Kittl. This is actually pretty proficient, guys. If you guys are thinking of any type of moves, definitely put it up in the below in the comments. We definitely love to hear it. I want to see what you guys come up with, honestly. But yeah, it looks good, guys. I think we shouldn't hold it any further. Let's get on to the shirts. For our blank for today's video, we are using a white style number 402 medium shirt. If you're interested in where we get our blanks, check out the link in the description below. Now, let's get the shirt pressed. And if you guys are new to the channel, we always do set our heat press to 300 degrees. It's either 275 to 300 degrees. We're doing 300 degrees for this piece, and it's a 7-second press. And after the 7 seconds, we usually like to wait for 15 seconds, but for this type of piece, again, it's a hot and cold peel. You can just peel right away. But for this one, we are gonna add some texture towards it to kind of give it more of a wrinklier effect. And for the second press, it's gonna be another 7 seconds. All right, now let's take a look at it. Alright guys, yeah, this came out really good. As expected, I really didn't think that this wasn't not gonna come out cool, but even if you could hear, I'm gonna put the mic up, but the added texture because of that matte finishing sheet, and then there's a different feel to it, and it feels amazing. I honestly love the way it came out, all the edges too as well, came out perfect. Guys, this is really good, and I hope it gave you guys a creative way to do something new with DTF. This is crazy, so. All right, that's it for today, guys. We had some fun messing around with Kittl's new text feature and seeing what we could pull off with DTF. I hope you got some ideas out of it. I definitely had a good time making this one, and if you guys want to see more like it, hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.